Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start creating the application in VB.NET for working with the barcode scanner. Now, let's start. This is my Visual Studio 2019, and I can create my project from here or from here. And come to File, New Project. Great. In this window, I should come to Language and select my programming language. So I want to create my application in Visual Basic. Select this one, and my platform is for Windows, and I want to create my application in Windows. So select this one, and the next one is project type. I want to create the desktop application and in fact Windows applications. So select desktop. Great. Now in this list, I should select my appropriate project. I want to create Windows application, so this is my favorite, Windows Form application. Great. So up to here, I have the application for desktop in Windows with Visual Basic. Great. Come to next. Here I should write my project name and barcode, VB for instance, the location, and the solution name. I write _SN, solution name, or anything you want. If you want to place your solution and project in the same directory, you should check this one. But I want to Visual Studio creates for me the dedicated folder for my solution with this name. So uncheck this one. And after that, I should select my .NET Framework version. By default, it's 2.0. In addition, you can select your favorite one, for instance 3.5 or 4. But my application doesn't need the higher versions of Visual Studio of .NET Framework, so I can easily select .NET Framework 2.0, and this is enough for me and for my project. And create. So let's see what's happened. Excellent. This is my main form. Resize it and start my application. So you should learn to try and test your applications many times if you want a professional application. Okay, everything works fine, and close this one, save, right click and open containing folder. Here I can see my project, and this is my project folder, this is my solution, and this is my solution folder. You can see over here. Great. Now, suppose I haven't Visual Studio 2019 and I have the Visual Studio 2017. Remember, you can easily create your project in Visual Studio 2017 and you haven't any main difference between the 2017 version with 2019. The only main difference between them is the new window. So come to New and Project. This is the main difference between the Visual Studio 2017 with Visual Studio 2019. First of all, I should come to Visual Basic and Windows Desktop and Windows Form and add your project name over here, solution name over here, and you should select your .NET Framework version from here. And after that, if you want Visual Studio create a dedicated folder for your solution, so you should check this one, and otherwise uncheck this. Great. So click OK, and this is my application, and I can easily resize this one and start my application without any problem. Congratulations to you. We could easily create our project in older version of Visual Studio. So after this step, you can easily continue this course without any problem. Why? Because the version of Visual Studio is not my intention and it's not important matter. So you can easily create the project of this course with Visual Studio 2017 or Visual Studio 2019. Now let's close this one, and this is my project in Visual Studio 2019. It's your turn. Go ahead and create your project in your Visual Studio and stay with me with my great upcoming tutorial. See you soon. Bye.